Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a professional and stylish progress bar which works dynamically. For example, here I change it to 50%. You see how it changes, this one to 75%. First, watch to the end and don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe our channel. Let's start. First I have to delete this and delete this too. Here I have construction progress, which equals foundation structure MEP system. Progress and max percent for each one. First, just select it. Then from insert, select this one and to the bar. Good. Select this, right click, format access. Change it to 1. Good. Then select this grid lines and delete. Okay. Now just bring shape, insert shape. I selected this type of shape. Okay. Make it shape outline, make it white. Good. Yes, control copy, control V. I need 6 shapes. Okay. Good. Change its color to, for example, I select this color. For this one, I select this one. For this one, I select this color. For this one, select this one. For this one, select, for example, this, not this one. For example, I selected this, and for this one, this. Good. Select this one, control copy, paste it to here, double click on it, just this one, control V. This time this one, control copy, double click on this one, only this one, control V. This time this one, control copy, double click on this one, control V, control copy, double click on this one, control V. Select this gray, select this one, control copy, paste it to here, double click on it, control V. Select this one again, control copy, control V. Good. Now just select this one, then from this field select stack, put 0.05. Good. For this one again, double click only this one, select stack 0.05. Double click on this one also, stack 0.05, enter. Again this one, double click on it, stack 0.05. Double click on this one, stack 0.05 again. For this one also 0.05. Good. Then from here, series overlap, change it to 100. This one, for example, 25. Good. Select this, then from chart design, select data, just bring it to here. Okay. Then select this one, right click, add data label. Now select data label, right click, format data label, values from cells. Select this one. Okay, good. Now uncheck this one, uncheck this one. Make it bold. You can change its size, for example, to this one. Okay, select this one and bring it to here. Good. You can change color for only this one. Make it black. This one, make it green. This one, make it this color. Change. Good. Change it to black and bold. You can change the size also. Good. This one, make it black and select the graph. Then from here go to rounded corners and change its color to black. Change its thickness also. Good. Now we are ready. For example, I change this one to 10%. You see how it changed? This one to 50%. This one to 95%. This one 67%. Now you have a dynamic and professional progress bar chart. Like, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.